The guy you see next to me is solving one of the hardest problems in the world.
Hi, my name is Marino.
But first, let me tell you what the problem is. Pollution. See, lakes like this one are contaminated. And according to data, this is the case for 40% of the world's lakes and rivers. So when Marino's childhood lake also got contaminated,
I had to do something about it.
this scientist with a PhD degree from a Japanese university took a break from school, went to a bank, got a loan, and dedicated his time
To fix my lake.
He came up with a unique solution. You put this solution in dirty lake water and bam! The solution attracts the contaminated particles and floats them to the top. And this is so environmentally friendly that you can eat it.
Because it's 100% organic.
So after 15 minutes, you can see the difference between a clean and polluted water.
If I can clean this cup, then I can clean whole lake.
So he went to his childhood lake and dropped a ton of his solution, treated it with biofilters, nanotechnology, and crazy biology, and after a few months, he was able to transform the lake from this to this. A full 180-degree transformation that created a lake clean of parasites, bacteria, and pollution. The birds came back and people did too. What is this method that you used?
I use the nanotechnology, but the nanotechnology is used in the wastewater treatment, but I use in the wetland and the natural habitat.
And why don't more people do this?
Because it's expensive and it's very hard, but it's not impossible.
It's not impossible. That's why now Marino is thinking big. He wants to clean Peru's biggest lake. This, with an entire team, PhDs in science, millions of dollars in funding, patented technology, and a noble goal of making the world cleaner for everyone.